Laron-laron sinta, buko ng papaya, dala-dala'y buslo, magtutana, kaluguran, syempre, Merano Pia, kumusta ka? And of course, today is very special day because andito ako. Ito naman gumagawa ng vlog para sa iyo. So today is, meron na akong leftover, I got leftover sisig in here because we are Asian, we love rice, kaluguran ay ne. May katikman akong kaya. King Pilipinas kasi, pambansang pagkain is, sa mga hero is, sardinas. Kasi it's easy to open. In here is this one is I bought this only like a 500 won. So atina akong pagtuan. Kumbaga 25 pesos siya. King halagang 25 pesos atina ako rugong pagtuan. Kumusta ka? And of course this one is it's almost like a 5 in here. So meron pa tayong a little bit time. And then later on, we're gonna work. Yes, siyempre. Kaya tayo nagtatrabaho because to earn money. Yes, we earn money, we can send money back home. And we can send money back home. And our family can buy food. And of course, they go to the school. They go to school and after that, they graduate is they gonna go work and make family. Ganun lang, no? Para recycle lang, no? Inikot ko lang ng ikot. Leron, sinta, isang subo para sa'yo, kaibigan. It's really good. At saka itong leftover ng sisig. Kanya mong biyeta. Kanyaman. Basta ika, kaluguran, dakala salamat. Bye-bye.